So the user can access the website at aegis-crackhack.purser.app. So now we'll log into the student's account. Or if there is no account, we can even create a new account. So now we'll file a new grievance. We'll put the title. We can select the category of the grievance. We'll select infrastructure. We'll say something like light is not working. We'll describe the issue. Please replace the light. And then we'll submit. So this grievance has been created. And as you can see that it shows submitted. So now we'll log into the admin's account. First we have to create the account for the person overseeing the infrastructure. Infrastructure coordinator, infrastructure@example.com, and then we'll put the password and create the account. So now, as you can see that by default, any new account that is created has its role as a student. So this role can be updated only by the admin. So now we'll log into the admin's account. Now we'll go into the admin panel. And as you can see, we can see all the users of this website. So this infrastructure coordinator is currently a student. So now we are going to modify the role for this email ID. Now we are going to change the role to authority. And now we are going to update the role. So as you can see that the role has been updated to authority. Now we'll go into grievance. The admin can see that this grievance has been created, and now we are going to assign this to the concerned authority. We are going to assign it to the infrastructure person. We can update the status as submitted, or let us keep it as in review. And we can add a remark like forwarded to concerned authority. We have added this update, and now we'll go into the student's account to see whether this update is visible. So we can go into grievance, my grievance, and we'll go to check the status. And as you can see that it shows that it has been forwarded to the concerned authority. So now we will log into the infrastructure coordinator's account and try to resolve this issue. Grievances inbox. This inbox will show all the grievances that have been assigned to this concerned authority, and it shows that this particular grievance has been assigned. We'll click on view and we will update the status as resolved. Replaced. Now we'll again go back into the student's account and see whether this update is reflecting. grievances, my grievances. Okay, so as you can see that the status has been updated to resolved, and it shows all the steps that were taken. Now we'll go into the faculty's account, and suppose we want to post some course material. So we'll go into resources tab. We'll click on upload. We can put the detail of the resource like tutorial E202. We can select the type as assignment. We can add a short description like due date. Now we'll paste the link of the material. Save resource. So as you can see that this resource has been created by the faculty. Now we will go into the account of the student and try to access this resource. We'll go into the resources tab, and as you can see that this resource is showing up in the student's account. Tutorial due date 16 February. Now we'll click on open link, and it is opening. Now suppose like the faculty wants to post some announcement. We are logging into faculty's account. We'll go to the announcements tab. We'll click on create new announcement. We can add the details for the announcement like no class tomorrow. We'll reschedule it. And if the faculty feels that the announcement is very important, they can even pin it. So now we're going to post it. Now we will again log into the student's account and see whether this announcement is showing up. We'll go to the announcements tab. And as you can see that this pinned announcement is visible. And that is that it has been posted by faculty 1. So now if say some faculty wants to post some opportunity regarding internship or any other opportunity, they can do that as well. We are logging into the faculty's account. We'll go to the opportunities tab. We'll click on create new opportunity. We can add the details like research intern. We can add a deadline, however it's optional. We can add further details like signal processing, like it is related to signal processing. We can add a brief description like all are eligible to apply. So as you can see that this opportunity has been created and it shows that no applications have been received yet. Now we'll go into the student's account and try to apply for this opportunity. We'll go to the opportunities tab and this opportunity is showing up. We'll click on it. We can attach a short note like our resume, skills, interest, etc. And we can submit the application. It shows that the application has been submitted successfully. Now we'll go into the faculty's account to look at this application. We'll go to the opportunities tab. Okay, so now it shows that the student one has applied. We can either accept, reject, or review this application. So now we are going to accept it. So as you can see that the status has been updated to accepted. Now we'll go to the student's account to see whether the status has been updated. We'll go to the opportunities tab. And as you can see that the status of the application shows as accepted to the student. We also have the main account for the admin. The admin controls everything, like they can change the role of any user. We're going to log into the admin's account. We can go to the admin portal and we can see all the users of this website. We can change the role of any user. We'll put in the email ID and click on update role. The admin can view all the grievances and they can also view all the announcements, all the opportunities. And this is what the dashboard of the admin looks like. That was all. Thank you.